Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so you avoid interruptions. Confirm your Azure subscription, pick the correct region and an existing resource group to contain everything. Create the virtual network now with a dedicated gateway subnet named Gateway Subnet and an address range that won't overlap with on-premises. Next, provision a static public IP for the gateway and follow naming standards so resources are discoverable. Once done, make sure network security and routing are considered before you proceed to the gateway creation step. Now you build the gateway itself. Choose a VPN type, route-based for most scenarios, policy-based only for legacy devices, and select an appropriate SKU for throughput and features. In the portal or via CLI, attach the reserved public IP, reference the VNet and gateway subnet, then deploy. This can take 20-40 minutes. After deployment, create a local network gateway that defines your on-premises public IP and address prefixes. Make sure BGP settings are configured if you plan dynamic routing, and that shared keys match. Finish by creating the connection resource between your Azure VPN Gateway and the local network gateway, specify ISEC/IKE parameters, and set the shared key. If using BGP, enable and verify ASN values. Once connected, validate the tunnel state in the portal, run ping and traceroute tests to confirm traffic flows, and inspect route tables. If something goes wrong, first verify there are no overlapping IP ranges. Check network security group rules and firewall allowances. Then confirm the shared secret and IKE/IKAV 2.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.